Check it out, everybody. It's December 26th, 2010, and if I'm reading my phone right, it's exactly 8:27 p.m. at night. It's the day after Christmas, and a snow blizzard has hit us like nobody's fucking business. Look at this. Like, it's worse than I thought. And right now I'm about to walk up to my car, and the only reason I'm out here is because I promised my mom that I'd take some pictures of the storm, show her what it was like out here. Yep, and the snow's out past my ankles. Even though snow's pretty obnoxious and it can be dangerous, it's hard to get places, but it's pretty interesting. It's like being on another planet or another world, like extreme alienable weather or something. But you gotta love it. Man. Sorry for that cutoff. The batteries died. I had to replace them. I had to grab a sweatshirt for a scarf and a hat. It is pretty brutal out here. Pretty cold. I guarantee you, if you came out here with nothing more than sandals and shorts, snowflakes on the lens, and just a t-shirt, door's frozen. Probably freeze to death, like probably less than 10 minutes. Put on my scanner in my car, see how it looks in this weather, if I can find the ignition. There it is. How about that, huh? 1 second. I love this weather. As you can see, got a bit of a little snow dust devil going on, spinning around out here. This is the lot where we normally hang out. I apologize for the lens. It's got snowflakes and water on it. There's water everywhere. Really not much you can do about it. Right over there, the snow went up to my knees. Right up to my damn knees. And it's really blowing out here. It's still snowing. The snowflakes are very thin, but the layers of it is very thick. Of it all coming down like this. Yeah, you can see all that. That's everywhere. See all that blowing? You watch that leaf right there, you kind of see how it was blown in a circle. Woo. You know, sometimes I think I'm even crazy being out here. I probably am. I'm probably out of my fucking mind. You know what? Compared to standing behind the wall and standing over there, it's pretty freaking windy. Well, yeah, this is the brutal blizzard winter of 2010. So this year, Seas has not failed. And I'm being covered in snow. But I'm actually not even cold. I'm actually dressed properly. I got like a lot of layers of clothes on. Besides from my face, the sweatshirt being used as a scarf. Oh man, look at that. Alright, well, getting a little cold and I'm starting to get completely covered in snow, and the camera's getting very wet, so time to head back inside. And this is my short little video. Maybe I'll add more clips, maybe taping from the window, but I definitely got to get in. So I'll see you guys soon in my next video, whatever that might be.
It's 10:34 at night, and yet the snow continues to fall further into the night. And the blizzard will be lasting all night. Can't wait to see what the looks of this is going to be like tomorrow morning.
Man, good thing we didn't do the interval shoveling like John and my dad do.
Ridiculous. It's honestly, if you do it twice, it's 1.5 times the work. If you do it 3, it exponentially gets more and more.
But their reasoning is
It's not. It's
their
bullshit.
reasoning is they want to shovel less snow
It's
at one
still
time.
the same action and motion. It's
Right.
still the same. And believe it or not, it's mere ounces that's difference in the. But you're repeating the motion.
Well, I'm taking your advice.
So we did it once. They would have had to do it 3
We also have 3 people.
It's true. And we did it faster than at least one person would have done.
What was back to the house?
Actually, they have 2 people both. Rudy and Dad and Adam and John.
Yeah. That wire.
Yeah, you know what? Let's go to Mario's.
Yeah, so the
Well, sunrise is clear because they're always running on.
Mario's delivery guy like 5 minutes ago.
All right, let's get some Mario's.
Oh, come on, full wheel.
Nice.
You never lose. You can't lose. You can't stop. Because once your momentum stops, it's screwed.
No, I know that. Yeah, that part I do know. Yeah, I told you Mario's was open.
All right, let's get some Mario's.
Mario's, I'll buy.
All right, thanks, Dad. Woo! What's up, boss?
What's up, man?
What's happening? What are you doing? Mr. Tommy, how you doing? What's
going on?
This definitely looked good.
What are you guys up to?
I didn't think you guys would be open. We were just kind of, we just dug ourselves out, and
Hungry.
so we figured. I figured I'd treat the boys first. What do you guys want? Should we get maybe the whole?
I'm getting the barbecue slices.
I never heard of barbecue.
Barbecue slices are great.
You want to get a full pie and just bring
And bring it back? Yeah, and then we'll get something over here. All right, we'll get a full pie.
Regular?
Yeah, we'll bring that back.
We're going to do that.
Plus, we're gonna keep thinking in the draft pick.
Exactly.